Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to connect socket and switches. So here you can see there are 6 socket and 6 switches. These I bought from the local electrical shop. Here you can see the switches and sockets I connected manually. So here you can see these pins are live wire pins. Here you can see these all should be connected to the switches. The current outflow will be controlled by the switches. So this is the neutral wire. This neutral wire will be all connected in common. So here it is the neutral pin going to the input socket. Here you can see I have not cut the whole wire. I simply strip off the some amount of length of wire so that you don't need to cut the wire. And the blue wire you can see is the neutral wire. I connected all the sockets. Now you can see the neutral wire is connected and it is kept open for giving input from the 3 line wire. So now we have to connect each and every live wire to the switches. So this socket belongs to this switch. So this live wire should be connected to this, and also this live wire should be connected to another switch. Guys, make sure that these two should not be connected because it should be controlled by the two switches. Guys, you can see how you can cut the wire. Instead of cutting the whole wire, you can strip off the only part of the wire. Yes, I guess now you can see that I connected earthing wire common for all switches without removing the without cutting the wire. So now I am going to connect each live wire to each switches. You can see there is minimum cutting of wires without breaking wires. So now the live wire for all the switches is commonly connected. You can see this here. This line is the live wire, and this line is the neutral wire, and this line is the earthing wire. So now we have to connect each and every socket live wire to individual switches. Now we can see each switches is individually connected to each socket of the live wire. This switch and this socket and this switch and this socket and switch. So yellow lines are the live wire connection to each switches. So now we have ground. This one is the ground. This one is the neutral wire, and this is the live wire. We need to connect it to the main like 3 wire line. So the socket is ready. As you can see, the front side socket switches as well as sockets. Back side we had made connections, and we have to solder it to the main wire. So this is the box back cover. We have pulled line from back side. You can see I have pulled line from back side. Now I have to solder this one. This one red is the live wire, and black is the neutral, and green is the ground wire. We are going to connect it to these three wires. Okay, so and also while connecting you can see this, there is a indication that L is the live wire, N is the neutral wire, and this is the ground. So now you can see I have soldered all three connections from the main wire into the three connections from the switchboard. Now I am going to insulate these three connections. Here I have soldered, instead of soldering we can also put three connection extension, where all three connection will be connected to that. These three wires can be connected to that. You can see the insulated. Now I am going to put stop wire, so that whenever there is a pull for this wire, it won't come out. Now I am going to close this box, make sure none of the wire comes out, and we have to put screws here. Guys, you can see now I have connected all the appliances. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you.